Welcome to the Science Museum. Hi, I'm Alexandra, and today we're going to look at energy. Now, energy is a really fascinating subject because we can't create it, nor can we destroy it. In our universe, the total amount of energy we have remains at a constant. It just transfers from one form to another. Now, we get most of our energy from the sun. The sun gives energy to plants through photosynthesis. The animals will eat the plants, even bigger animals will eat those animals, and so on, and the energy is transferred. Now, our bodies need energy to survive. We get our energy from the food we eat. Our digestive system breaks it down, gets all of those nutrients that we need, and stores it chemically within our bodies. And it's that keeps us going, keeps us healthy, and keeps us moving. This morning, Sam had a big healthy breakfast, and his body has been storing that energy. And he's going to use that to turn his chemical potential energy stored in his body into kinetic energy. This is the energy of movement. And to help him with this, he is using this set of pedals. Inside the pedals is a permanent magnet which is inside a long coil of wires. As he pedals, he's going to make that magnet spin, and that creates a potential difference or a voltage between the two ends of the coils and will allow a current to flow. We call this a dynamo. I've also connected a hat up to the system. So let's see what happens. Wow, so the hat lit up. And that's because Sam used the stored energy in his body to power his muscles in his legs. And it's this transfer of energy that's super important to us because it keeps us going, from a little walk to becoming some of the top athletes in the world.